In this video, I want to share with you some tips to create some DIY still life set design for your creative photo shoots. One easy thing to get is some basic color paper sheets. This is something really easy to get, and you can create some nice color palette and some nice pattern on your pictures. You can even use the back of the paper block because it's made of an interesting texture. You can of course use bigger paper roll that you can cut and get into your smaller set. There is plenty of place where you can order online some already made background with printed stuff on it. For instance, here you get a nice watercolor print that can give you a really nice romantic look for some of your photo shoot, for instance. Another easy thing to get is some vinyl sticky paper. You can get it on a simple roll, and you can stick it on any surface, something stronger, some paper roll or anything. You can use them front and back, and then you can easily switch from one theme to another. So you can stick them on some boxes, so you can create some fake concrete block, for instance, and use them as props. Here is one that I've done in Melbourne, for instance. Another thing that you can get or create a wooden block to add some geometric interest to your photo. And you can just paint it the way you want to then use on your color background or a simple background. You can use simple wooden block to stack up your products in your photo shoot to create more depth. One other thing that you can get is those magnetic hooks that you can stick to your set and pair up with this nylon thread, so you can use them to hang your product in a set. What I've done here is using something ordinary that you can find everywhere, like candy, to bring something more fun in my photo shoot. Here I've used some complementary tones, like this nude pink background that I have, to reflect the color of the shoe, and those candies that are also in the same tones helps it create an overall nice, cute picture. As you can see, there is many things that you can use to get creative on your photo shoots.